With Google Tag Manager, you can grant users various levels of access to your accounts and containers, enabling them to view or edit your configurations. This is useful when collaborating with others in your organization, or when working with third parties, such as advertising agencies or clients. When deciding the number of accounts needed and who should create them, we recommend setting up one account per company. If you have an outside agency who manages your tags, the companies whose tags will be managed should create the account in Google Tag Manager. Then, the company may add the agency's Google account as a user and grant them the appropriate permissions. Typically, you should set up one container per web domain. If you manage multiple domains, you will want to create a separate container for each one. However, if the user experience and tags on a website span more than one domain, it's best to set up a single container that serves all of the domains involved. There are a couple of things to keep in mind about managing your containers. Instances of triggers and variables cannot be shared across containers. If the tags and firing logic are similar across domains, it then makes sense to use a single container. Finally, when a container is published, all changes go live regardless of the domain. If you need to apply changes to one domain without affecting other domains, we recommend using a different container for each domain. As a best practice, it's a good idea to set up a test environment with a test container when implementing tags or rules. A test environment is important for ensuring your configuration changes work properly before going live and can help prevent accidental data loss. You can set user permissions at the account or container level. User permission settings may be modified in the Admin tab. Container permissions allow you to define levels of access for your users. With view only, users can browse through the configurations of triggers, tags, and variables in the container, but are restricted from making any changes. View and edit adds the ability to edit the triggers, the tags, and the variables in the container. View, edit, delete, and publish adds the ability to delete configurations and to publish containers. With these tools, you should now be able to manage accounts and levels of access with Google Tag Manager. For more information, please visit support.google.com/tagmanager.